This Cybertruck just smoked a Ram TRX truck in a traffic signal. Both the truck was stand still at a signal. The TRX owner wanted a piece of the Cybertruck, but, oh boy, the insane takeoff. Acceleration from the Cybertruck just killed the Ram TRX and Cybertruck was gone. The TRX was never able to even keep up with the Cybertruck. Also looks like the Ram left front tire pressure was low. Not sure what the Ram driver was even thinking to drag race a Cybertruck with low tire pressure. Why is anyone trying to run a Tesla? There is no way an ICE can overcome the delay on launch versus electric Ram. The only win that your Ram can have is the range. We suggest do a 600 miles road trip and see who gets there first. We are pretty sure it will be Ram.